One of the main themes of Solaris is the post-human and the level of empathy humans are willing to exhibit towards these beings. A replica of the protagonist's wife, Hari, has been approximately reconstructed using her husband's memories of her. The first thing that we can establish is that certainly she is not the real Hari, or even a replica of the real Hari. Setting aside the physical differences, given that the replica can regenerate infinitely, her consciousness was constructed using someone else's perspective of Hari before she died. The real Hari is dead, and her consciousness died with her. If means were taken to copy her brain before she died, then maybe this would be more debatable. But this is a copy of a memory, not a person. Although we have established that she is not comparable to the original Hari, the question still remains, is she comparable to human? There are a few criteria which usually help to determine, albeit subjectively, if something is human enough to deserve to be treated with empathy. A non-human that exhibits behaviors that imply it possesses free will or consciousness, self-serving goals, human-level intelligence, or complex emotions have been shown to trigger an empathetic response from humans. So does the replica of Hari possess these traits? This is a hard question to answer. The only one who truly knows the depth of replica Hari's consciousness is herself. We are reluctant to immediately come to this conclusion, as humans are prone to even personify inanimate objects, and it seems that we take great measures to sever any emotional attachment or empathy that we begin to feel towards the potentially post-human, fearing the fall down a so-called slippery slope. We are constantly reminding ourselves that it is not real, such as we humans are real. This is reminiscent of the approach humans have taken throughout history to justify their mistreatment of other people. The concept of post-humanism questions the traditional boundaries that humans have set in place between the human and non-human. Thus, the only criteria necessary to determine if something is post-human as opposed to non-human is if their existence makes you question those boundaries.